This is a DDAmanda analysis video on NVIV Therapeutics holding NASDAQ symbol NVIV. Now this first caught our attention on Thursday of last week with this 45 factor here, and she dropped 48% on that day. Traded $620,000. Now, trying to figure out, what caused that. We pushed the news button, and there's not much news. So then we went to the filings button, and I'm going to bring this up in another browser. The filings are well, here's the filing. So on 2/1 they released an 8K. That's the day that she took that big drop. And if I can bring this up, they decided that they're going to go bankrupt. They filed for Chapter 11 here after considering all strategic alternatives. So, they're going to go tits up. Now, the next day, go back to the activity. She dropped a little more, only 5%, again with the 47 factor. And then on Monday, she hit the 200-day low. And today, she blew up. I don't know why exactly, but if you were watching her, I think what happened is a bunch of guys got in here, after this. I mean, that's a huge drop. Let's look at the chart. Let's push the chart button. So here we go. This is when they announced the Chapter 11 on the 1st. On the 2nd, she dropped a little bit more, but actually went up. And then on Monday, she took this deep dive here, okay? And I think what happened is some guys jumped in because they figure, Chapter 11 doesn't mean you're going to, it's not the end of the world. I mean, they can recover depending on what their finances are, whatever. But it looks like guys loaded up here in the 20s the next day, and then today on this is Monday, it's color-coded blue. And then Tuesday, today, look at this, $133 million traded. I think this was some kind of a group or something, but let's click on see what happened during the day. So yeah, pre-market, don't know, it looks like she's about 30. She's up pre-market here. But then in the first few minutes, she went, all the way up to 50 here. And then dropped a little bit and then just went, kept going. Around 11:30, 12, she hit her peak right here. So, then she dropped off. Look at this high, over $1. She busted $1. Last time she was at $1 was, look at this, October. So very interesting what happened here. If you were paying attention, you could have, got in on this when she, when she hit this low here. Okay, guys, that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. But when a stock gets a lot of money, they kind of get superpowers. I mean, here you go, $133 million traded. Let's look at level 2 real quick. See if I can find level 2. Da 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 da. Where is level 2? Oh, here it is. Alright, so here's level 2. See how many trades she had. What am I not looking at? Oh, here's another one. DMK down 27%. NVIV. She's still trading after hours. 285,000 trades. Wow. Yeah, this might be one of these AMC type weird deals. Somebody was saying the apes ran her. You know, the apes went bonzo. Okay, guys, that's it. Have a good rest of the evening, but I thought I'd, show you some stuff here. RSI is still only 44 right here. So, she's still viable. Okay, that's it. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.